Canadian Citizenship Test 2024 Question and Answer. Question: in what year did Canada become a country? A. 1867, B. 1687, C. 1786, D. 1678. The answer is A. 1867. Question: which region covers more than one-third of Canada? A. Northern Territories, B. South Region, C. North Region, D. Southern Territories. The answer is A. Northern Territories. Question: who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of Canada? A. The Governor General, B. The Prime Minister, C. Other judges, D. The people. The answer is A. The Governor General. Question: where are the Parliament buildings located? A. Toronto, B. Kingston, C. London, D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question: what are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec, B. Ontario and Alberta, C. Quebec and New Brunswick, D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. The answer is A. Ontario and Quebec. Question: what is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal, B. Elizabeth Cross, C. Victoria Medal, D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question: which province is Canada's main producer of pulp and paper? A. Quebec, B. British Columbia, C. Saskatchewan, D. Ontario. The answer is A. Quebec. Question: which of the following is the oldest colony of the British Empire in Canada? A. Quebec, B. Ontario, C. Alberta, D. Newfoundland and Labrador. The answer is D. Newfoundland and Labrador. Question: what is the head of the city called? A. Mayor, B. Councillor, C. Alderman, D. Premier. The answer is A. Mayor. Question: which was the last province to join Canada? A. Prince Edward Island, B. Manitoba, C. Newfoundland, D. Yukon. The answer is C. Newfoundland. Question: how are members of Parliament chosen? A. elected by senators, B. elected by the Prime Minister, C. chosen by the King, D. elected by Canadian citizen. The answer is D. elected by Canadian citizen. Question. Which of the following is not a responsibility of Canadian citizen? A. Learning to speak both official languages. B. Voting in elections. C. Obeying the law. D. Taking responsibility of oneself and one's family. The answer is A. Learning to speak both official languages. Question. When is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st. B. October 6th. C. November 11th. D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question. When did the British North America Act come into effect? A. 1867. B. 1881. C. 1901. D. 1876. The answer is A. 1867. Question. What do the initial MP stand for in Canadian politics? A. Member of Parliament. B. Minister of Parliament. C. Member of the Patriots. D. Master of the Province. The answer is A. Member of Parliament. Question. What are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties. B. Opposition parties. C. Rival parties. D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties.